How to delete unnecessary files on laptop. Now I will first go to this window option and I'll right click this, and here I have got this option of run. I'll select this, and now I'll select here prefetch. I'll select OK and continue. Now I have got this all of these unnecessary files. What I'll do is I'll select Ctrl A and delete, and some files won't be able to delete, so we'll skip this because these are necessary for the window to operate, so these can't be deleted. Now another way is select also run, and now type temp. Okay, so these are also some files which can be deleted, like again Ctrl A and select the delete option, so this file will be deleted. I will delete, continue, and again some files can't be deleted, so I will skip, cancel. Another option is I'll again go to this run option and type percentage temp. Yeah, you got the option percentage temp. I'll select this, and now again I have got this files. I'll again Ctrl A and delete them. So this is how you can delete unnecessary files on your laptop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.